Welcome back to Daily Home Trends. In this video, we are sharing some brilliant kitchen organization ideas that will transform your space into a neat and efficient cooking haven. So, whether you have a small kitchen or a spacious one, these space-saving hacks will help you keep everything in order. So, let's dive in. First, the best way to organize your kitchen is to get rid of anything you don't use. Take a few minutes to go through your pantry, drawers, and cabinets. Toss out expired food, donate unused gadgets, and free up space for the essentials. Trust me, a clutter-free kitchen makes cooking so much more enjoyable. Now that you have decluttered, let's talk about maximizing cabinet space. Invest in stackable shelves, turntables, and adjustable dividers to create extra room. Lazy Susans are perfect for organizing spices, sauces, and condiments, while pull-out baskets can make deep cabinets more accessible. These simple kitchen storage solutions make a huge difference. A well-organized pantry saves time and money. Use clear storage bins and label everything to keep track of your ingredients. Group similar items together, like baking essentials, snacks, and canned goods. For smaller kitchens, over-the-door pantry organizers are a game changer. This way, everything has a home, and you will never lose track of what you have. Don't let your drawers become a jumbled mess. Use drawer dividers to separate utensils, measuring spoons, and kitchen gadgets. Try a knife organizer to keep your blades safely stored and easy to reach. And if you have a junk drawer, limit it to only the essentials. Unnecessary clutter. When it comes to kitchen organization, don't forget about vertical space. Wall-mounted racks for pots, pans, and utensils help free up cabinets. Magnetic knife strips and floating shelves are also great for keeping essentials within reach without crowding your counters. Less clutter, more functionality. Your fridge needs some love too. Use clear bins to separate fruits, veggies, and snacks. Label leftovers with dates to avoid food waste. Keep frequently used items in the front and store bulkier items in the back. A well-organized fridge means less food waste and easier meal prep. Now, let's take a look at some beautifully organized kitchens for inspiration. Imagine a modern kitchen with sleek, labeled storage bins, a pantry arranged by category, and countertops completely clutter-free. Or how about a compact urban kitchen that uses pull-out drawers, under-shelf baskets, and pegboard wall storage to maximize every inch of space? These kitchens show that with the right organization, any kitchen, big or small, can be both stylish and functional. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more exterior and interior design inspirations. And see you in the next time.